I'm making some leveling feet today, and they're really not a whole lot of a leveling foot because they're not very long. This is about 1 inch long, even into this 1/4 inch plate right here. But I'm replacing some casters that are on a piece of equipment of mine that makes it too tall. So I really want these to be as short as possible. But if I was, wanting to be able to level this up 2 or 3 inches, I could make these as long as I wanted to. This is just 1/4 inch bar, and it's 2 inches by 2 inches. It fits the foot that I need. And the piece of equipment's really heavy, so that's why I did 1/4 inch. Otherwise, I might have just done 1/8 inch. Look, my glove's already broken. The good part's good. Okay, so I took some 2 inch bar, drilled and tapped a hole in the center of it. And if I didn't have to tap it, I could have just drilled a hole and welded it, but I wanted to make this easy. So I'm just going to epoxy these bolts into there. This was just some all thread that I cut off to make my stems. Throw it out a piece of paper so I don't get any epoxy on my mat. This is just cheap Harbor Freight epoxy. Would be now that I get the epoxy on there, I can't get the bolt in. All right, now I'll let that set up. All right, it's been about 20 minutes, and there's just a little burr down here on the bottom. I'll grind that off, but these are ready to go. If you think you're going to have to really torque on these, I would probably put a bead of weld on the back side of them. But these, I'm just going to screw them up in there flat and let them sit. The next thing I'm going to do to these, because they're actually going to be on some hardwood floors, is I cut some little carpet squares, and I'm going to epoxy those on there to make them so they won't scratch the floor. All right, well, I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.